It is necessary for you to know the difference between this all four types of gender noun, right? As I explained you earlier that the grandfather, father, son, grandmother, mother, daughter. Okay, these all are what? These all are the name of family members. So these all family members are, we take or give certain particular name. So in this family, they are grandfather and mother, father and mother, son and daughter. Okay, so kids, listen very carefully. Grandfather, father. So the grandfather, father and son are from he group. Okay, now which group? He group. Now you may be thinking, teacher, what is the he group? So in the last lecture or the lecture which we have done already in the month of June, in that I have explained you that he be used for male. Okay, and she is pronoun is used for what? For female. So they belongs to the he group. The noun in this group are called as masculine. And the grandmother, mother and daughter are from she group are called as feminine. So this is the difference between male and female. The male boys, male animals are masculine gender, and like the uncle, hero, king, bull, these all are what? These all are the example of masculine gender noun. My dear student, if you are able to hear me, kindly type Y in the chat box. This will help me to know that whether I'm audible to you all or not. Yes, thank you, Sanskruti. Yes, Ishika. Thank you. That means everything is clear by my side. If anybody is facing audio problem, I got one of the answer that teacher, we are not able to hear you. Your voice is breaking. So this is not by my side. It may be the problem by your side. Kindly clear it up. Thank you everyone for your response. So till now we have seen that the masculine gender is like uncle, hero and bull. These all are the example of masculine gender noun. Okay. Now what is the feminine? So feminine gender noun is the female species. Like some of the example of mother, headmistress, queen and cat, lioness. These all are what? These all are the example of feminine gender noun that we have already seen in the month of June. Okay. Now gender nouns. Now gender noun is mainly differentiate between male and female. Now common and neutral we are going to see soon. Mrunmay is not able to hear me. Nephew, niece, wizard, witch, monk, nun, king, queen. These all are what? These all are the example of masculine and feminine gender. Now, here even I told you in the last lecture too, we have done this activity that like the word is written and we have to just replace this. Now to change the noun in the sentence of their opposite, okay, gender, and rewrite the sentence. So this was and again I want to do this activity so that you will get the clear idea about it, and even I will get the clear idea about whether you are clear with this this all concept which was taught earlier. The king loved daughter more than the son. What is the example? The king loved the daughter more than the son. And you are able to see over here that the king and son, king, daughter, and son, these all words are what? These all words are highlighted. Okay, they are the darker one, bold one. Why? Because the king, daughter, and son, these all are what? These all are noun. But somehow they are common, they are masculine and feminine, both mixed. What you have to do, you have to add the opposite. Like king, opposite of king is what? Give me the answer in the chat box. Opposite gender of king. Queen. Okay, correct, Sanskriti. Thank you. So the queen is example of what? The opposite gender of king. Now, daughter. Opposite of daughter is what? Son. Okay, and opposite of son is daughter. Now, my dear student, what you have to do? You have to rewrite this whole sentence by changing, like the queen loved son more than the daughter. Okay, the queen loved the son more than the this daughter. Okay, this is all about the changing. I hope you got the clear idea about it. Once again, I will explain over here. What you have to do, you have to change this noun, like the king and state of king, you have to write queen, daughter, opposite of daughter, the opposite gender is son, and opposite gender of son is daughter. Okay, so the what will be the sentence? Sentence will be the queen loved the son more than the daughter. Okay, now next example. Now it's a task for you that you have to rewrite in the chat box and let me know that what will be the correct like rewrite of this particular sentence. Like uncle, opposite gender of uncle, and niece, opposite gender of niece. And rewrite the sentence. Let me see. Whole sentence you have to write. Whole sentence. I request parent to help student to type because this will be a bit difficult for them to write whole sentence. Yes, you are right that opposite of auntie, uncle is auntie. So instead of my auntie and my niece, now what is the opposite of niece? Second one. Nephew. Correct. Mayank. Very good. I got the first answer over here. So how we are going to write it? We are going to write my auntie and my nephew, and my nephew came to visit me. Okay. This is the right sentence. Now the next is the lady in the photograph is my grandmother. Okay. What is the sentence? The lady in the photograph is my grandmother. If we change the sentence, it will become the gentleman in the photograph is my grandfather. Okay, the lady, opposite of lady is what? Gentleman. Okay, so the gentleman in the photograph, my grandfather. Instead of grandmother, what you're going to write? Grandfather. Okay, once again, see the all sentence. The king, instead of king, queen. The queen loved the son more than the daughter. Second, my auntie and my nephew came to visit me. And the last one is, the gentleman in the photograph is my grandfather. Absolutely right. Thank you. I got a lot of response in the chat box, and this proves that my students are clear with the gender noun of masculine and feminine gender, and this already evaluation is done. So let's see. Let's move towards the next the part, that the two more gender, that are the neuter and common gender. What two genders are remaining? Neuter and common gender, and that we are going to see over here. Yes. So you all are able to see that the noun male and female, then male and female even in the animal. Yes, still I am able to see the answers in the chat box. It's very nice to see that you all are responding. It's really a very good thing. It's keep me updated that you all are very attentive. Thank you, student. Thank you so much. So let's move towards the next lesson. You all are ready, right? Stop giving the answer now. We are going to see the next most important thing. That is the common and neuter gender noun. Now, noun are the two types we have seen, male and female, and the both animal and male. So we are going to first see that the common gender noun. What we are going to see? Common gender noun. Now you may be thinking that teacher, we have already seen the common and proper noun in the second standard. Pooja teacher taught us that the common and proper noun, capital letter, everything. What is this common gender noun? Now the common gender noun is absolutely like that only. That's a common, the word which is used for some particular thing is common for both and male and female. And that is the reason that particular of name, that particular of name is called as what? As a common gender noun. Okay? Common gender noun क्या है? Common gender noun word. कोई भी अगर name, you all know that the noun is a naming word. Okay? So the noun is a naming word, that the naming word, the word which is used to name that particular of thing, okay, that is called as what? That's called as the common gender noun. Okay, so both the for male and female, for both of the to write or to denote both of them, a single name is used, and that particular of name is called as common gender noun, or the word is common gender noun. Like the student, okay, you all are my student, okay, very attentive student. So that the student, if I say that the students of class 3rd A and B are very smart and intelligent, that time I'm not considering the girl or boy. What I'm saying, together I'm calling that the student, both the class, even the girl and boy, both are what? Very smart and intelligent. If I say that the girls of standard 3rd and 3rd A and 3rd B are very smart, that time I am particularly saying about the girl. But here, if I use the word student, word is common for male and female, for boy and for girl. For both of them, I can call that the student. Okay? If I say that my students are very attentive, okay, so in that student, that all students, male and female both come, okay, with a single name I am denoting them. So the single name which is used for both male and female is known as what? Is known as common gender noun. Okay, in this picture you can see that the boy and the girl both commonly called as student. Now common gender noun. Next, see the next example of common gender noun. I have many friends. Okay, so you may be able to see that the friend word is highlighted, right? Friend word को क्या किया yellow color से highlight किया, that the friend word is highlighted. Why it is highlighted? Because that particular word denote the common gender. Common gender noun. So the common gender noun, I have many friends. So if I say I have many friends, I request all to stop chat now. I have never asked you any question. Yes, Tanishq, you have any doubt? Wait. So this is all about the sentence. We have seen that I have many friends. I have many friends in this statement. The word friend is used for what? For what? Denoting the commonly male and female both. It's a kind request to my dear student, don't chat box, because here I have not asked any question to you. To the explanation, or else later you will not be able to differentiate between common and neuter gender noun. Okay. So this here, now you will maybe not be able to chat because your chat option is off, and we will see that all the things. Now I have many friends. Now I have many friends in this statement that the friend word is highlighted. Now I tell you that why it is highlighted, because that the friend word is commonly used for girl and boy both. Like we say that I have many friends. So if I say this statement, it may be possible that my friend all are girls or all are boys or mix. Okay. So here, without saying that I have two girls friend and two friends that are boys, this is the discrimination I have not done. What I said, I have many friends. In that, maybe some friends are boys and some friends are girls. So the friend word is common for girl and boy both, and that is why it's called as common gender noun. Okay, it's called as common gender noun. So if teacher give you such a statement, okay, I have many friends or Ria have many friends, underline the common gender noun in the statement. Okay, suppose it's an example. If the teacher give you in the exam that identify the common gender noun in the below sentence, and the sentence is that Ria have many friends. So the option is given friend, many, I, Ria. So that time, what you are going to select? You are going to select the friend. Now why you are going to select the friend? Because the friend word is a common gender noun. Okay. Now next, common gender noun. My parents attend the function at my school. What is the statement, dear student? My parent attended the function at my school. Now the word parent is refer either to mother or to the father. Okay, togetherly, like it is possible that your mother came to attend the meeting or father came to attend the meeting, but the parent word is common for both of them. Now next, common gender noun example is this person needs a doctor. Okay, what is the statement? This person needs a doctor. Now the doctor word, the word doctor is commonly used for male and female both. Now in this picture you are able to see that the one man is standing, one woman is standing, and they both are wearing coat. Okay, white coat, apron. So commonly what they call? Commonly they call as a common gender noun. What they call? They called as a common gender noun. So the common gender noun doctor is used for both male and female. My family doctor is very helpful. Okay, if we say the sentence that my family doctor is very helpful. Now that the doctor word can be male or female both. Okay, and even now maybe my family doctor is a male or maybe my family doctor is female. So commonly what it's called? Commonly it's called as the word which is commonly used for male and female both are called as common gender noun. Suppose in the exam I given the statement like that Rohit's family doctor is very helpful. Okay, our Rohit's family doctor is very smart. Okay, and the Rohit's family doctor. So the word, and if I say that the underline the common gender noun, so the word will be common because the doctor word is used commonly for both male and female. Okay. Now see the next example. Here we have lot of examples so that you will get the clear idea about it. Hello everyone. Now your chat option is disabled because it was disturbing a lot in between the explanation, and that's why it is off. At the end of this, I'm going to ask the question, and that time I'm definitely going to allow you to do the chatting. Okay, so look at here. So the example is my teacher is very helpful. So my teacher is very helpful. In this statement, the word teacher commonly useful for male and female both. Now you may be thinking, no teacher. We have this sir also in the school, and we called us good morning sir, and by mistake if we call them as a teacher, that time we say sorry and again we call them sir. And sir is useful for and teacher is useful for female, uses for female. That this is wrong, my dear student. That the teacher word is commonly used for male and female both. Like even if your sir or your teacher is male, okay, take any of the example like Anil sir. Okay, so that time even you can call them Anil teacher because teacher word is common. The person who teach is called as teacher. Okay, it is not like the only female person who teach is called as a teacher. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है. That the both word, that the for male and female, the word commonly used is a teacher. Suppose an exam, if I given any statement like Shia's teacher called me yesterday. Okay, that this is the statement, and if I told you to underline the statement, that time you should be able to differentiate or underline the statement teacher as a common gender noun, because commonly, always keep in mind that female and male, for both of them, the word teacher is used, and it's called as common gender noun. What it's called? It's called as a common gender noun. Let's see the all is together examples of the common gender noun. Now, some words either refer either to male or a female person. Now, like a singer, doctor, parent. Okay, these all are the example of common gender noun. Let's see the more example like lawyer, then artist, reporter. Nowadays in the TV or news channel, you are able to see that the reporter are giving report and news about everything. Now together, whether the news reporter is male or female, together they called as what? Reporter. There is no separate name for that. If female is there, it's called different, like mother and father, different name is there. Okay. So in same way, in the different way, the common gender is together. For both of them, commonly that particular word is used, is called as what? It's called as reporter. Now dancer, whether the female or male, it's called as a dancer. Architect, both of them, whether the female or male, it's called as architect. Astronaut, both of them, the word is called both male and female. It's called as common gender noun. So the common gender noun can be either male or female. Absolutely right. Yes. Let's see the example of neuter gender noun. Okay. Now, student, here I will allow you to just let me know some of the other examples of common gender noun. You know any other example of common gender noun? Let me know with the help of chat box. You know any other example of word which is commonly used for male and female both? Think and tell me. Children. Yes, very good. Aryan, children. Teacher. Okay. I will just make it up. Others. Teacher. Okay. Aradhya. Student, artist, children, friend. Okay. This is all we have seen here. Anything else? Try to recall, try to just actor. Actor is actress, for actor and actress. Doctor, dancer. Dancer, okay. Wife. Wife is used for female, feminine gender. Cook. Yes. Chef is used for both male and female. Yes. Principal. Good. Reporter. Good. So, lot of example. Even the baby. Okay. King is male. Keep in mind. King is male. Yes. Here, cook or chef. Good. I also given the example of baby. Now, baby is used for both male and female. Yes. Journalist. Good. So, let's move towards the next example. Neuter gender noun. Thank you everyone for your response. So let's off the chat so that we will move towards the next important thing. This is what neuter gender noun. Okay, we have already seen the masculine and then feminine and then common, and the last one is what? Last one is neuter gender noun. So neuter gender noun is neither male or no female. Okay, always keep in mind the neuter gender is very simple. And it's not at all confusing that the neuter gender noun is neither male or nor female, like a table. Okay. Second is pen. Pen, neither male or nor female. It's a neuter gender noun. Knife, neither male or nor female. So what is this all? This the things which are the non-living things are called as a neuter gender noun. Okay, non-living things. Now we will see the examples of neuter gender noun. Now, neuter gender is naming word non-living things noun. Okay, here is the example of neuter gender noun. Desk, pen, tree. These all are what? These all are neuter gender noun. Next is what? Utensil, bucket, mud. These all are what? These all are neuter gender noun. Let's see the next. This is my book. So the book word is not of male or not female. Here you can see there is a cross of image of boy and girl. So the book is what? Book is a non-living things. Book is a non-living things, and that is the reason that the book, the noun or a naming word is what? It's a neuter gender noun. Book is a non-living things. Okay, I hope you all know that what are the non-living things. Non-living things are things those who not eat, drink, develop. Okay, do not take the air. What? These all are neuter gender noun. Now next, neuter gender noun example is mountain. Okay, mountain. Here you can see that the cross over the boy and girl. Okay, they're not a male or female or not commonly. Mountain. Mountain is neuter gender noun. Next is what? Cloud. Cloud is what? Cloud is a neuter gender noun. Dress. Dress is an example of neuter gender noun. Now it's time for you to answer me and differentiate between the common and neuter gender noun. So my dear student, listen to the question very carefully and tell me you are able to see the parent, grandparent and car. Tell me that in this statement or in this picture, which word is a neuter gender noun? Okay, which word is a neuter gender noun? Type that word in the chat box. Okay, let's start. Car. Car. Okay, good. Car, good. Okay, now tell me the names which are common gender noun. Name the word, the common gender noun. Parent. Right? C, parent. Okay? Or N, as a neuter. Thank you. At the end of the lesson, I will definitely unmute any one of the student and I will ask that what is the difference between common and neuter gender noun. So be ready to give me the answer. Okay, I can ask anyone. Now next example. Here in this picture, you have to tell me the name of neuter gender noun. Kindly type the name of neuter gender noun in this picture. Read the name and type neuter gender noun. Only pen. Only pen. Pen and river. Nishant. Good. Very good. Always keep in mind, whenever someone asks a question to you, listen to the question carefully. If you have just given the answer as pen, you will get the half marks. Okay. In this particular picture, you have to tell me that name of neuter gender noun. Pen and river. Yes, correct. Pen and river both are neuter gender noun. Absolutely right. Rudra, good. Mehak, pen only. Write the river also. Vansh, pen. Pen and river. Okay, good. Jia, good. Avir, only pen. Avir, river. Okay, both. Grandparents, you're late. Pujari, Disha Pujari. Good, good. So my dear student, in this picture, two of you all are right that the river and pen both are neuter gender noun. They both belongs to the category of neuter gender noun. And the doctor is what? Doctor is what? It's a common or neuter? Absolutely right. Doctor is a common gender noun. Doctor word is used for commonly for male and female both. So it's a common gender noun. Right. Now let's see the next example. Now here in this picture, tell me, name the word which is common gender noun. Name the word which is common gender noun. In this picture, common gender noun. Name the word which is common gender noun in this picture. Architect. Very good. Tanishka. Architect. Architect. Okay, good. Good. So it seems like you all are able to differentiate between common and neuter. Yes. Good. Now, tell me the names. Rest two are eraser and plate are what? Eraser and plate is an example of what? Common or neuter? Or masculine and feminine? Eraser and pen is an example of neuter. Neuter gender noun. Okay. Neuter. Fine. Isha, good. Neuter gender noun. Good, everyone. Thank you for your response. Asutosh. Okay. Shreya. Good. Good. Let's see the next. Now you're able to see the two pictures, doctor and bedsheet. Now right, doctor is a common, you all know, and bedsheet, sorry, leader is what? Leader is a neuter or common. Leader is a neuter or common. Leader. Sanjana said common. Okay. One said common. Common. Or male or female, or feminine or masculine. Leader is common, neuter, feminine or masculine. What? Common. I got all the answer as common. Yes, absolutely right. The leader word is common and the bedsheet is neuter. Bedsheet is neuter. Okay. Here is again we see that the common and neuter gender noun. So the common gender nouns are parent, grandparent, employer, teacher, doctor, boss, architect, and leader. And the example of neuter gender noun are car, river, pen, eraser, plate, and bedsheet. These all are the example of neuter gender noun. Repeat after me, parent. Now stop typing and repeat after me. Common gender noun, parent, grandparents, employer, teacher, doctor, boss, architect, leader. Now neuter gender, car, river, pen, eraser, plate, bedsheet. Now it's time to just unmute you all and know much more about the common and neuter gender noun. Okay. I will go to participant and mute anyone. Indra Sen. Hello, Indra Sen. Please unmute yourself. Hello. Okay, now Redmi is just, will unmute the Redmi. The name is not written over here. Hello. Kindly unmute yourself and let me know your name, please. Hello. You have given the two answers. Just hello.
Hello.
Just tell me your name, please. Hello.
हाँ दीदी बोलते हैं मुझे भी दिखा
अरे तू क्लास चालू तिकडे काय
The sound is very low. I'm not able to hear. Okay, just mute
टीचर माझे
again.
नाव सांगत आहे
Arush Uttekar. We will do unmute to the Arush Uttekar. Hello, Arush. Please unmute yourself. Hello. Good morning, Arush. You are able to hear me? Just respond in yes or no. Hello. So here our students are not responding. I don't know whether they are not able to hear because here the mic sign is visible, and I think so they are scared of giving answer. Now, Anushka, we will talk with Anushka. Anushka Chawal. Anushka, please unmute yourself. I got a lot of response in the chat box and I thought that you will be able to explain me the content well. Hello, Anushka.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So, Anushka, just tell me that what does mean by neuter gender noun?
Gender.
Increase the sound of your mobile phone. Hello.
Hello. What are you?
Hello.
Yes. Tell me about the neuter gender noun, Anushka.
U-turn gender noun. U-turn.
You know about the neuter gender noun?
काय है?
I'm not able to hear Anushka.
Please explain बोलना.
Please explain
Your
me.
voice is very low.
Please explain me.
Name of things, right? Avir Mohite. Okay, we'll do unmute to Avir Mohite. Hello, Avir. Please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning, Avir.
Good morning.
Tell me about the common gender noun. What are the common gender nouns? Jia want to say something.
The common gender noun is common gender noun means
Means
teacher, students, like this.
so the common gender noun means the word which is commonly used for male and female, denote male and female both commonly. It's called as common gender noun. So my dear student, I hope you all have the clear idea about this, and we have seen the common and neutral gender noun and even the masculine and feminine gender. Okay, so I hope you all know the content well, and next time whenever I'm going to ask you the question, you will be able to answer. If you have any doubt, just ask me in the chat box. We'll definitely respond to you. Okay. No doubt. Okay. No. Okay. So here, it seems like that you don't have any doubt and you understand the lesson well. Okay. Next time, whenever we are going to meet, we will see the next lesson. By the time, just read all the lesson and keep yourself updated, do the reading practice, and in the next lesson, whenever we are going to see the story, that time will allow you to read, and please be attentive whenever I ask you to do mute and unmute, just say, okay? Bye-bye and take care.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye, friends. Bye, teacher.